2 men and 1 woman.
Hey, stop digging in your pocket, bro. Huh?
Immediately after making contact with the driver, the officer instructed the front seat passenger to stop going through his pockets. Shortly after, the officer asked the driver to turn off the car and place the keys where the officer can see them out of concern that the driver may drive away.
Turn the car off. Like gas, man.
Sorry. Why?
So I'm gonna put them up here so you don't take off.
I'm not gonna take off for
Okay, well, let me get the keys. If you ain't gonna take off, I'm just gonna put them up here just so you don't take off. It's for my safety.
Look, I'm not. Look.
There you go. Put them up there. Yeah, there you go, bro.
The officer then asked for the ID of the passenger.
You got your ID on you, man?
Well, they're just my passengers.
Yeah, I'm the passenger.
Stood
up in here?
And the officer asked the driver to step out of the car after he says he smells marijuana.
Okay,
Why?
Well, I told you to. Step out.
Whoa. I'm not doing that. I'm trying to give you my insurance
It
card.
smells like marijuana. I need you to
I'm
stop.
sorry. Yes, I did smoke. I did smoke earlier. And but it's the smell. And I'm being honest with you.
We'll figure that out.
No, well, I'm being honest with you.
Both the driver and the passenger are resistant to the officer's request.
Give him a ride to go see his robot.
You got your license?
The passenger in the vehicle is heard asking the backseat passenger for a gun.
Huh?
Stop and turn around, man.
No, I thought you wanted me to get the insurance card.
No.
Why? Sir, please.
The suspect's gunfire hits the officer in the hand. Gunfire also strikes his police radio. The officer takes cover behind his patrol unit, dropping his weapon in the process. The officer retrieves his firearm from the ground, dropping his radio in the process, and returns fire, though his gun continues to jam because he is unable to firmly grip the gun as a result of the gunshot wound to his hand. While the individuals in the car cease fire, the officer continues to shoot as he sees movement inside the vehicle and fears he may be shot again by the suspects. Here is a relevant portion of the dash camera video synced with the officer's body camera.
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired!
The officer retrieves his radio, realizing it is broken, and urges bystanders to call police.
Shots fired. Call the police! Call the police! Call the police! Call the police! My radio's down! Tell them my radio's down!